How to hide menu bar on MacBook. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and tap on the Apple icon on the top left of your screen and further tap on the System Preferences option. You will see the dock and menu bar option. Tap on that and under the menu bar tab, go ahead and uncheck both the checkboxes, that is, automatically hide and show the menu bar on desktop and automatically hide and show the menu bar in full screen, and with this, as you can see, your menu bar will be hidden. You can always go ahead and check these two checkboxes in order to unhide the menu bar. So, this is how you can hide menu bar on MacBook. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.